My name is Paul Donnelly. I'm the Managing Director and owner of Red Knight 6 Limited, and we are the UK distributor for RUBBLE MASTER. I'm here with Tommy Chapman. Tommy is the Managing Director and owner of MRD Plant Limited. Tommy is one of the biggest wrap producers in the UK and one of the biggest wrap recyclers in the UK. He runs a fleet of RUBBLE MASTER machines, crushers, screeners, on the material that you can see here in the background, which can range from as dug, planed to some quite chunky material. And Tommy, it's interesting, we've been working together now for 10 years coming up on.
Yeah.
And I suppose what are the reasons that you, in this industry, which is quite a difficult material to crush, what is one of the reasons that you chose to use the RUBBLE MASTER?
It's returns over its lifetime, really. Like I say, the previous machines, the RUBBLE MASTER, if you compare it in the short term, some of them were on a par, but the problem was further down the line. It's the downtime that comes with them. We've had machines in the past that they just can't hack the harsh environments you get with asphalt. It's the abrasion, the bitumen causes issues on belts, radiators, engine components, and also when it comes down to running the RUBBLE MASTER, it's the ease of use that the operators themselves like, which then also causes me less issues because it's easier for people to get their heads around how the machines operate. But also it's the simple engineering of the machines, but also they are engineered to a very high degree that you can tell everything has been built with durability in mind with the machine.
We were very aware of that when we looked at RUBBLE MASTER's history. When I started to look who would be a good partner for this application, RUBBLE MASTER are 35 years in the industry, just building impactors and making better all.
Yeah, they do. They're very good at listening to customer feedback as well, to be fair, which means a lot to people like me because it's in our interest as much as anybody for these machines to be working at their absolute maximum potential.
The reason why it's important to look at asphalt recycling or any form of that material over a course of a week, not just a day, is because there's so many variables, I suppose, involved in it.
Yeah.
Tommy, you would see the time of year, moisture content can affect it, I suppose.
Yeah.
You can see temperature can affect it. You can see the size of material can affect it. So
yeah,
would you say that these tests that are done where you see a 15-20 minute exercise or an hour exercise is quite a pointless exercise?
Yeah, these short term tests are good for proving the machine what it can do at its best, but it doesn't really give you any representation over a length of ownership. You know, the only test for that is long running, you know, thousands of hours of running.
Yeah.
Which again, when you sort of approached us about looking at the RUBBLE MASTERs, obviously they were the original compact impactor makers around, so you know they've obviously been at it a long while.
Yeah, we would see that when we come in. We do a lot of assessment of the material. We look at what you're trying to achieve. We look at everything that's involved in that there, and that's why we prefer, we don't do these one in, one out day situations. We come in, we're there for a week. If it takes 2 weeks to prove the point, we know that we can work everything, that you're getting real hard figures,
yeah,
which gives you your cost per ton, your wear factors and everything that comes into crushing this material.
Yeah.
Some people see it, and I'd imagine there's people always challenge you to do this cheaper, but the reality is it's not a cheap exercise to crush this material.
No, it's not. I mean, some people think because it's not hard rock as such, it's easy to crush it, but in fact the fact it's not hard makes it even more challenging because the abrasion is, probably say it's the worst application or one of the worst applications you can find for abrasion.
which is good to see. I mean, we've seen them in a few sites we've been on here today with yourselves. Your guys are big into their maintenance, and the ease of removing the conveyor out and the access to Rubble Master makes their life easier.
Yes.
Because some people believe in, if I'm not crushing for 10 hours a day, I'm not making material.
Yeah.
But you obviously, with your guys, can break the machine down, track it away from the belt, look at where all the factors or the wear are.
Yeah, that's it. You've got to preventative maintenance is absolutely paramount with this job. You've got to do it and know when are the right times to do it as well. It's the little things you've got to look out for which make the big difference.
If you're interested in seeing the Rubble Master in action, and we mean really see it in action in your application, give us a call or an email, or contact any of the sales reps that are out on the road, or indeed the service engineers that will be coming through your area. We'll arrange to come and have a site visit, do an analysis, and arrange a proper demonstration.